Saving money during your first job is crucial for building a strong financial foundation. Here are some effective strategies. Now, start by creating a budget that outlines your income and expenses. It's going to put putting this all in the description so you can read it slowly. This helps you track where your money is going and identifies areas to cut back, focusing on essential expenses and limiting discretionary spending. Consider opening a separate savings account to make saving easier. Aim to set aside a portion of every paycheck for savings, even if it's a small amount. Automating this process can help you save consistently. Take advantage of any employer benefits, such as retirement plans or health insurance, which could save you money in the long run. Now, if your employer offers a retirement account with matching contributions, try to contribute enough to get the full match. All right. Now, avoid lifestyle inflation as your income increases. Resist the urge to spend more just because you're in earnings more, Instead, prioritize savings and invest for the future goals. That's where it's at. Now, finally, you got to look for opportunities to increase your income, such as side gigs, hiring freelancers, freelance work. This extra money can boost your savings significantly. Now, by following these tips, you can build good saving habits early on in your career.